Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks just exploded. And hold up, that 7-year wireless charging curse, it's dead. Guys, imagine finally ditching the cable tangle for magnets that snap like fate, charging your beast at 25 watts while you scroll doom without a second thought. But rewind, Samsung's been teasing us since the S8 days, and now the S26 Ultra's flipping the script. What's the catch in this leak frenzy? Stick around because the front cam drama and that Apple sock roast might just make you rage upgrade tomorrow. We've all been there. Your phone's gasping at 15% mid-meeting and you're fumbling for that proprietary brick like it's 2017 all over again. I get it. I've Rage Yankee swapped chargers on 3 continents testing this crap. But fresh intel from a Korean insider drops the mic. The entire S26 lineup's going Qi2 native baked-in magnets for that MagSafe grip we iOS defectors have envied forever. No more sketchy adapters sliding off your desk like bad karma. For the Ultra, that's a savage leap from 15 watts wireless to 25. Full tank in 60 minutes flat, not the eternity crawl of 100 before the base S26 and Plus. They hit 20 watts solid, but no ego trip. Picture this, your morning ritual, pop it on a stand, coffee brews, and boom, ready for the commute war. It's not just faster, it's freedom from the why me blues we Android loyalists swallow yearly. But here's the avalanche. Let's peel this onion before it stings. Start with the Ultra's front cam. Yeah, the punch holes bloating up, biggest Samsung's ever slapped on a flagship. Ice Universe leaked the side-by-side, and it's glaring like they traded stealth for selfie swagger. Why? That field of view's widening to 85 degrees from 80, cramming your squad into frame without the awkward crop. No spec glow-up though. Pixels stay. S25 vintage feels like a concession, right? Nah, it's your group chat savior. Now flip to the rear arsenal. Main sensors inching from 23 to 24 millimeter focal. A subtle zoom nudge you might miss unless you're pixel peeping sunsets. But the Periscope, 115 to 120 millimeter, that's bokeh magic, compressing backgrounds like a pro portrait session, natural blur without the filter cringe. We're talking shots that flex on Instagram, not flop in the family album. Hold, curveball incoming on the S26 Plus render from OnLeaks. It's the Goldilocks middle child, 6.7-inch slab, locked at 7.3 millimeters thick, while the fam slims down corners, sharper than the S25 Plus, syncing the trio's vibe for that we're a cult uniformity. Drama alert though, OnLeaks whispers the base S26 ballooned to 7.24 millimeters from the hyped 6.9, thicker than your ex's excuses. Ice Universe fires back. Nah, early cat noise, finals still svelte at 6.9. I'm squad ice, but dude's batting .999 on these drops. If it's true, Samsung's dodging the slippery brick curse without sacrificing battery guts. And speaking of absurd upgrades, Apple just birthed the iPhone Pocket, a $230 scrap of 3D knit delusion. Not a case, not a charger, just a velvet tomb for your slab. Peak Tim Cook, turning lint traps into luxury while we wait for real leaps. Samsung, take notes, or better, take the crown. This buried gem, Qi2's the real sleeper hit. It's not hype. It's the ecosystem lock-in we've craved, like upgrading from flip phones to touchscreens overnight. Suddenly, every stand, every dash mount clicks magnetic, no wobbles mid-ride. Your commute, reclaimed late-night scrolls, effortless. But would you bail on your S24 for this magnet magic alone? Drop, snap me up in comments if you're tempted. Top roasts get my next leak shout-out. Feels gimmicky at first blush, I know, till you test that seamless snap and realize it's rewiring your daily grind. Beyond the specs haze, this S26 Ultra leak isn't a refresh. It's Samsung's quiet rebellion against the charge anxiety epidemic. Big tech ignores. We're not just faster, we're untethered. turning plug me in from curse to choice. Android insurgents, this is your iOS envy payback. iOS diehards, admit it. That sucks got you questioning us leak hunters. We're the vanguard, decoding the matrix before the ads flood your feed. Who's with me in rewriting the rules? From 7 years sloth to Qi2 glory, wider selfies to Periscope punch, Samsung's S26 Ultra leaks scream evolution, not revolution, but damn if it doesn't itch that upgrade spot. You holding loyal or cashing in on the magnet wave? Smash like if this decode lit your FOMO fire. Subscribe for the full camera carnage tomorrow because trust, the AI zoom twists will melt minds. Binge my flagship uprisings playlist next. It's the unfiltered war room you need. And hey, if you're dodging cable hell like me, snag this Anchor Qi2 pad in the link below. It's the $40 savior that ends our shared tether nightmare. Magnetic bliss guaranteed. Tag a buddy still suffering the dongle life. Later squad, stay leaked. See you next one, peace out.